Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, I will show you how to archive a story on Instagram without waiting for 24 hours. Make sure to watch the video to the end. You will not make any mistake. First of all, go to your Instagram app. After you open up your Instagram, as you can see now, tap on this your story that you share. So as you can see, here is my story that I just shared. So I want to now archive the story without just waiting for 24 hours. How to do that? If you want to do that, all you have to do now, tap on this three dot at the bottom right side, this menu section, more. After you tap on this more, as you can see now, in this section now, there is no any option now for you to archive the story without waiting for 24 hours. All you have to do now, tap on this story settings. Under this story settings, all you have to do now, tap on this section which says close friends. So under this close friends, all you have to do now, go and search for someone that is famous, someone that doesn't care to watch your story. For example, for me, I just go and share my story with just like Cristiano Ronaldo. I just search for this person, Cristiano Ronaldo. As you can see, he's a famous footballer, so he doesn't have time to just watch my Instagram story. So if you share your story with only this person that you selected, so now I'll just tap on this done button. So now as you can see now, I selected only close friend, just only this person can be able to see the story and he will not care to view my story. So after the 24 hours now, nobody now can be able now to view your Instagram story. So now after the 24 hours now, your Instagram story can be archived. So now you hide your Instagram story from anyone that wants to view your Instagram story. That's it guys. Hope this video helps you. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for watching guys.